Hello, aspiring content creators. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to share some essential steps for new YouTubers to overcome common obstacles that may be hindering the growth of your YouTube channel. So let's dive right in and help you kickstart your YouTube journey. If you are a new YouTuber and you get only 5, 10, and 20 or maximum 100 views, then this video is going to be very important for you, because there are chances that you too are making one, two, or maybe all the mistakes on your channel, because of which your channel is not growing. But these are not such mistakes like changing the channel settings, putting tags and about thumbnail, etc. Everyone tells this. Rather, these are the actual mistakes that maximum creators do. The good thing is that the more mistakes you avoid or fix, the more your channel will grow. So mainly, new YouTubers start their YouTube channel either to earn money or to get fame. Like, there are very few people for whom YouTube is a passion. Because of this, the new YouTubers select the wrong topic. If someone wants to be famous, maybe they start a roasting channel by watching creators like Carrie Minotti and Thug, whereas he doesn't know how to roast. So the first mistake while selecting a niche is this: choosing an unsuitable niche. Until you have at least basic to intermediate knowledge of a topic, then don't start a channel in that niche. Because first, you may never be able to compete with the good channels in that niche. So select a niche that suits you. Mistake number 2. A new YouTuber has to work on a lot of things in his starting days, like lighting, audio, camera quality, editing, etc. But if you ask me what is most important, then I will say audio. Like, I can't even tell you how important and good audio is. Any viewer can see a low-quality video without any special editing if the audio is good. If the audio is not good, then fix it quickly. Otherwise, you are doing a big mistake. This is the misconception of many people, that if you want to record good audio, if you are also copying a big creator, then go and change your branding right now. Mistake number 3, wrong topics. So all the new YouTubers that I check, 90 of them always make the mistake of selecting wrong topics for their videos, because of which their views don't come. And even if they do, they stop after 50 views. The last mistake is learning, but not applying. So what does a new creator do when he doesn't get views? Of course, he searches on YouTube. How to grow on YouTube, how to get more views, how to get more subscribers, and so on. Like, we all have done this, and even if you look at it, there is no problem. Because there are a lot of good videos on YouTube that can tell you a lot about improving your content. But the problem comes when you watch these videos, but don't apply the key K information. Understand this carefully. When your channel doesn't grow, then it becomes very easy to get these videos clicked on YouTube. Whenever such a video comes on your homepage, your brain thinks that maybe this video will help my channel grow, and you click on that video. Now, if you learn something from that video and apply it, then it's okay. But maximum creators watch a video and keep scrolling on YouTube, and this cycle keeps on repeating. This is such a big mistake that it can be destroyed in many years of your YouTube journey. So when next time you go to watch a video on how to grow on YouTube, then before clicking on it, ask yourself, did I apply the tips I took from the video on my channel or video last time? If the answer is no, then don't watch that video. First, go and apply the things you have learned. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumb up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials and helpful tips. Don't forget to hit the notification